I declare the fifth convocation open.
The convocation being our most important function is always on the campus. However, the circumstances arisen due to pandemic have forced us to convene this function virtually as we all fight the invisible enemy. I am proud to state that we have been ranked 37th under the category of management schools in the NIRF 2020 ranking announced by Ministry of Education. That we have got QSI Gauge Elite E-Learning Excellence for Academic Digitization Certificate for our preparedness to conduct online teaching and learning. I'm also happy to share that we have been selected for the establishment of Atal Community Innovation Center by Niti Aayog on our campus. Sir, I present to you Prasang Goyal, Sarthak Mittal, and Astha Sharma. They have been selected for the award of Dr. Bijmon Lal Munjal Medal for the best outgoing students in respective schools.
I cannot remember anything in living memory where 1 billion students around the world stopped going to their classes, where every country in the planet at the same time was either locked up or almost locked up, with the only people going out were those who were doing a special role for either health, security, delivery, and the like. So truly, you are stepping into a world in some ways which is unrealized until now. It is unimagined. In one way, you can say it's a big tragedy. On the other hand, it's also exciting to discover something that has never been seen before, to work in an environment which never existed before. As is often said, no good crisis should be allowed to go waste. So is the case of this one right now. You will have an opportunity to demonstrate and prove yourselves in ways that has never been done earlier. On the one hand, there are many businesses either shut down or suffering, while there are others which have got a quantum leap forward. Digitization and digitalization of the world, financialization of the systems of communication, the methods of meeting, our socializing, all of this has undergone a change. I remember some years ago there was an airline which had put out a wonderful advertisement, and this was aimed at the elderly. In the ad they used to show somebody in the age of 70 years, 80 years or so, and the question they would ask was, when was the last time you did something for the first time in your life? Basically the message was, no time is too late to learn. No age is too old to experiment. So do make sure that as you go out of these doors, that you are continuing to learn, continuing to experience and experiment with things in life.
There has never been a better time before to understand the impact and importance of change. It is something that we should welcome, anticipate, and prepare for. And it is not just true in the context of the pandemic. Change is a constant, and we will continue to witness more of it in terms of technology, ways of working, the way we live, the way we communicate, transact, and also how the ecosystem at large around us continues to change. The key in all of this is you need to be aware and alert of this change and continue to adapt yourself to the changing landscape with resilience and agility. In all of this, learning is one thing that does become a constant. And this is something that I believe in, very, very strongly. We've got to learn the art of collaboration. And to do that, having respect for team members, for others that we work with, and others around us, whether we work with them or not, is really important. Today, we are coexisting in a world literally without boundaries. And one of the biggest lessons that this pandemic has taught us is that as long as you are connected, you can work anywhere, anytime, with whoever you want.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Vice Chancellor of BML Munjal University, I award you the degree of MBA and charge you to be worthy of the qualification that you have earned. Congratulations to all the graduating students. By virtue of the authority vested in me as Vice Chancellor of BML Munjal University, I award you the degree of BTech in Computer Science and charge you to be worthy of the qualification that you have earned. Congratulations to all the graduating students.
I will treat my brothers and sisters with love and respect. I will become an asset to my university, which has given me courage, vision, and wisdom, and will uphold its values of integrity, professional ethics, and moral character.
It is my great pleasure to felicitate Mr. Sandeep Patel for his work in the digital space and confirm him with an honor for excellence in digital transformation and management.
That all our students, faculty and staff reached their homes safely before the lockdown was announced. As a university, we had offered our hostels to the state government to be used as a quarantine facility. Along with that, we had fabricated face shields and hand sanitizers, both of which were donated to the local administration. We continue standing with the local administration to provide whatever support may be required. With the announcement of this lockdown, academic institutions were forced to migrate to virtual mode. Our university made a seamless transition to the digital mode, and I'm proud to state that all our academic and administrative operations were virtualized. I'd like to thank all of you. I'd like to congratulate the graduating students. I'd like to thank the parents, all the guests, the family members, various partners, and most importantly, the faculty, staff, and the academic leadership of BMU, which made this day possible.
Congratulations to all the graduating students, and we wish you all the very best for the future. I take this opportunity on behalf of BML Munjal University to thank everybody for the virtual convocation.